Hey, family, it's your girl, Chef Evelyn, and I wanted to pop in really quickly so that you understand what's happening, right? So this is one of the new videos and the channel changes that I was telling you about. So I wanted to give you just a quick little intro before we go into the vlog. Now, going forward, we just gonna hop right into the happenings, the things that are going on, all of the activities. But I am going to be taking you with me through my life in food, so whether I'm going out to a culinary event, whether I'm hanging with friends, whether it's just what I ate this week, I'm going to be sharing that with you vlog style on this channel. And so one of the things that I thought would be great to share with you is that Dallas is like a really growing city right now, and there's a lot of restaurants here, a big food scene here, which I absolutely love because your girl likes to eat, okay? And so recently, Momofuku Milk Bar, which is out of New York, with pastry chef Christina Tosi, had a pop-up shop here in Dallas in collaboration with Emporium Pies. And so this is their first cookbook. I believe there is a second one. And I'll put links to both of these cookbooks in the description bar. But, famous pastry chef was bringing a pop-up shop here to Dallas, and it was called the All You Can Treat Tour. And I have been a fan of David Chang since I was in culinary school, and I did a report on him, and have been very intrigued by Christina Tosi's culinary point of view when it comes to like cereal milk and things like that she does in her desserts. And so I already had the book. I've had it for years, and so I knew that when I found out they were coming, that I was like, I don't care how hot it is, I don't care how long the line is, I'm going to have to clear my schedule and go. And so I did. I drug a friend along with me, and we headed to the Bishop Arts District here in Dallas, Texas, to go to the pop-up. And so basically what they were doing is they were going on tour, but they're also using it as market research, from what I understand, to see where they want to open their next location. And from one of the staff members, she was like, based on the turnout, Dallas definitely passed the test. So I'm hoping that we will have our own milk bar here in Dallas in 2020. So anyway, I'm going to share with you kind of like, going there, standing out in the heat for hours on end just to get some desserts, but it was absolutely worth it. What I bought, what I thought, all of that. And so I'll be sure to link, like I said, to both of their cookbooks. One of my favorite things from them is the milk bar pie, previously known as crack pie. Pie, P-I-E. Listen, you see why they probably had to change the name. But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy this style of video. Like I said, going forward, I probably won't be doing this part, like this intro part, but I kind of want to let you know what's going on. I want to get your feedback. Do you like this? Would you like more of this? And so, y'all, I hope you enjoy the All You Can Treat Tour vlog. So we're here at Emporium Pies, Dallas, Texas, for the milk bar pop-up with Christina Tosi. I think that's how you pronounce her name. Anyway, I've got her cookbook in my bag, and we're going to get some crack pie and maybe some of her other famous desserts. Yes, crack pie, not crack pipe. So I'm excited. I'm with the homie, Charlene, and there's already a line, and we're like 30 minutes early. So see y'all in a sec. So this is the line, you guys. Oh my God, it's crazy. Look at that. Like all the way back, all the way. Insane. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. So we are here at Emporium Pies in the Bishop Arts District for the milk bar pop-up. And it starts at 11, and the line is already insane, and it's already like 80 something degrees outside. So let me show you guys the line. So this is the line. It is already, it's like all the way there, all the way up there. It's crazy. The line has continued like all the way like down the block. It's all the way back there. Like there's all of that, all of this, all the way around, and then like where I'm at, all the way. It's insane. That while I'm waiting in line, I'm about to eat a piece of pie as I wait in line for more dessert. Don't judge me. So guys, we're in line, and I just want to show you how long the line is. Like, this is where I am. The line goes here, it goes here, it goes there. If you guys can see that, it goes all the way back in that corner back there. And then if you go across the street, all those people over there, the line is that long. It's insane, you guys. So update, it's been 2.5 hours and we're still in line. Like, we're moving, but like, it's so hot out here and we're sweating. But we're excited. Hours later, and I'm finally at the front of the line. Can you believe it? Alrighty. Guys, here is the booth. We are so close for the all-you-can-treat tour. So excited, but I'm hot and I'm hungry. So that's it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not following me on Instagram or Facebook, you absolutely should. If you followed me on Instagram, you got to see a few of those clips when I was actually there in real time. And so also, like, if you live in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, you know, you can find out about different things that I'm going to be attending. And maybe if you want to go, you know, following day or later in the future or something like that, that you absolutely could. So anyway, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Facebook. Don't miss out on the things. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.